Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Daily Dose of Destiny. I'm Monita Baker, and I'm so excited to have you here with us on January 9th. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh. It is a Yang Water Monkey Day. And when we look at the Tong Shu, it is a danger day. So this day beckons us with its promise of ingenuity, agility, and transformation. So let's get into it. Let's immerse ourselves in this vibrant energy and discover how it can invigorate our daily living and enhance our spaces with positive vibrations. So the Young Water Monkey Day swirls us around, swirls us with the spirit of creativity, intelligence, and playful curiosity. The monkey, symbolizing resourcefulness and cleverness, encourages us to think outside the box and to approach challenges with a nimble mind. Now, the Yang water element adds that fluidity and depth, enhancing our adaptability and our emotional intelligence. So this day is perfect for innovative thinking and embracing change. The monkey's energy, brings a quick wit and a capacity for problem solving, making it an excellent day, for brainstorming and for strategic planning. Now, the monkey's playful and mischievous nature can sometimes lead to unpredictability or scattered focus. So stay grounded and channel this energy constructively. We want to utilize the Yang water monkey's energy to navigate through the day with cleverness and flexibility. It's a day for embracing spontaneity while maintaining a sense of direction and purpose. So today, let's delve into a vital Feng Shui principle, and that's maintaining and fixing anything in your home that is broken or squeaky. Now, in Feng Shui, the state of your home reflects the state of your life. So broken or poorly maintained items can signify neglected areas of your life and can lead to, a stagnation of energy, that stagnation of qi. So, attend to any repairs, whether it's a squeaky door, a leaky faucet, or a cracked window. Fixing these items helps to ensure a smooth and uninterrupted flow of positive energy throughout your space. Items in disrepair, can cause frustration and a sense of chaos. So addressing these issues not only improves the functionality of your home, but also contributes to a more harmonious and balanced living environment. So make it a habit to regularly check your home for anything that needs fixing. This proactive approach, helps maintain a nurturing and energetically positive space. So, if you're doing your, I do first of the month rituals. Maybe you have rituals that you go through and, if there's a squeaky door, you have your WD-40 and you can spray that down, or a squeaky cabinet door or the drawer. Maybe the window screen is hanging or it's torn. We want to get rid of this. We want to make sure that anything that's an eyesore, we don't want that chaos, that chaotic energy to be visible, because if it's visible, it's going to be affecting us, internally as well. So we want to make sure that we have that energetically positive space. So I'd love to hear from you. Let me know, what you do to keep proper maintenance in your home. What kind of experiences do you have with the energy of these things? If something's broken or needs to be repaired, let us know. Drop it in the comments. Let's learn and grow and share from each other. So let's leverage today. Let's leverage the Yang Water Monkey's inventive and adaptable energy today and create homes that are well maintained and harmonious and full of positive qi. So I hope you have an energetic and fulfilling day today, and I will see you next time. So I am Monita Baker, and as always, happiness is now. Take care, everyone.